What's up, gents? How you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, it's going. Oh, that's weird. My club ladder thing still says we're playing Cryogen on the sauce overlay. That's weird. Huh. I don't know. Maybe it'll fix itself. That's weird.
Yeah, that's funny. I was just they're just asking about the neutral lap. So I was gonna suggest we tell them the first lap's a neutral lap.
As many as they want. And minus one. Do you have everyone in the pen? We waiting on to join the Discord. It's Dustin and Todd.
Hey, how's it going, everybody?
What's up, man?
Dustin.
Hey, Josh. Dustin.
Hey, Josh. Hey, Todd.
What's up?
Hey.
Ready to get destroyed?
Nah.
I'm hoping we keep this one at least competitive. I think, yeah. Jones is obviously, I think, their strongest diesel dude.
Yeah, he's good.
What else we got? Yeah, I think Lloyd Jones is their best at everything. With maybe
my club ladder. Oh, go ahead.
With maybe Jeremy, close behind in the intermediate distance. But yeah, I mean, Lloyd, Patrick, Katie, they're all like 3.6 or higher for 20 minutes. So I definitely got the endurance. I don't know if Todd's joining. I see him in the pen, but.
Yeah, he's there.
What the heck? All right. Well, as long as he's in the pen, that's all we can ask for.
This lead-in ended up seeing shorter than on the video. I'm not sure if it changed.
How long is this puppy?
Hey, what's up? It is 18.8 kilometers.
Oh, wow, okay.
So,
All right.
short.
Five laps?
What is that? That's only like 10, 11 miles, something like that? 12 miles?
Yeah, 12 miles.
Yeah, that ain't nothing. We're going to be over and done with this in like a half hour, if that.
Oh, boy.
Which means the pace is going to be hot.
10 seconds.
Good luck, gents.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Watch this kicker coming up. It's 10%.
All good? All still here?
Yep.
All right, great.
They're being nice to us.
No doubt. You know how I know? This Jones is the one in back.
Yeah. He's the one with the hair.
Yeah. Think so. All right, what do we all get for power-ups?
Ghost. Dustin got ghost.
Anyone
John's
get,
got a burrito.
Burrito.
hey, John, you want to have some fun by trying to go off the front?
Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll do it right as we come out of town.
Right as we come out of what?
Out of town.
All right.
There's a downhill there, so I can get the super tucker. Oh, sure, shoot.
Another ghost.
There goes Ghost.
Sorry, Lewis. Didn't know you're behind me.
Hammer down, gents. Try and close that bridge. Or bridge that.
Carry speed around the corner.
All right. I don't know what sauce is up, Lou. It's not working. Yeah, we're gonna get destroyed by these burritos. Keep going, John. Hey, push above me, John. I got one.
Okay. Okay, I'm past.
I'll wait for the uphill.
We get another. So we get another one coming.
Keep going, Todd. Keep going, Josh. John, Lewis.
Hey, Lewis, Dustin, and Todd, definitely keep pushing though, because high likelihood with this rolling course, someone's gonna drop off.
Got it.
Keep pushing threes if you can.
Good work, Lewis.
God, these burritos. Come on.
Whew.
Who picked this course?
Dustin did, but John seconded it.
I quit. I already got my badge.
Same.
All right, 3 more laps.
Yeah, John, it'll be a miracle if I stay on this group.
Well, I think they're holding back on the climb, and they decide
Yeah, I know.
they're going to go.
Oh, dang it. Come on. Jesus.
Well, Caspers.
Let's keep the pressure on because Fogelberg is off. I got a burrito again, John.
All right, I got to drop back a little bit.
No. Like,
Go
up the
forward.
hill.
There goes Distant Ghost. It's not going anywhere. Burrito. I think the burrito has the most effect on the downhill, don't you think?
Jeez, man. Getting killed by these burritos.
Drop it.
Yeah.
Yep, keep going. Ah, come on. Dang it. That's just you, John.
All right. Let's go, John. Good work, Josh.
Got killed by the burrito, man. Dang.
They're right past you right now, Lewis. I can see your shadow.
How you doing up front, John?
Okay. They're toying with me.
Yeah, I mean, they probably realize they have this match well under control right now.
Mhm.
Hey, Lewis, are you on comms?
Yep.
Okay. What's our play here? Should we just let her pull? Or do you want to try and catch Fogelberg?
Either or.
Yeah, probably gotta catch Vogelberg. But he's pushing low threes, so
Roger.
he's about to hook back up with me.
We go, Lewis. Someone hit my burrito. Good job. Keep going, Todd.
Whew. Guys doing great back there. Fogelberg's off again. Hell of a gap to close in 3.5 kilometers, though.
Good work, Lewis.
Dang, Ghost again. He's killing me. Looking great, gents. Keep it up.
Josh, they sent you a message.
I don't know. My sauce like crashed out, so wasn't working.
My ladder mod isn't working.
My legs aren't working.
Yeah, I don't know if, John, even if you win and I get fourth, I still don't know if the math works out in our favor here, but
I'm third.
I mean, if you take first.
Oh, first. I don't know how I compare to these guys.
Definitely better looking. I've seen their profile pictures.
They have better sprints than yeah. Finley's right where you are, and Lloyd Jones is the strongest out of anyone in the pen.
Oh, they gave it to me. Oh, shit. Oh.
Dang, man. Oh, let's go, John. First place. Good job.
They gave it to me.
Come on, Lewis, Dustin, you got it. Right home.
All right, guys. Oh.
Ah, shit. Did she get us, Lewis?
I don't think so. Yep.
Nope.
Yep.
Did she get you?
Yep.
Dang.
She got Lewis.
Ooh.
300 to the second.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
That's a heck of a finish.
1:47:10.